In this video, I'll be showing you how to left and right click on a Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now it's super simple to go ahead and do this, but let's say you just got a MacBook, you have your touchpad over here, and usually on a laptop, your right click is going to be towards the bottom over here. And as you can see, when I'm trying to right click, it's not working. That's because on Mac, it's slightly different. So what you want to do is with two fingers like this, double tap like that, and that's going to count as a right click. As you can see, I just right clicked and now all these things come up. So I'll just show you again. You just got to double tap. So use two fingers and then it's going to work, and then you're going to be able to do anything. If I want to highlight something like this and I want to double tap on that, as you can see, that's how you do it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So remember, just go to use two fingers to do it and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting over on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might end up finding something you didn't know about.